Hello and welcome to How to Play Paper Football, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the game Paper Football. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. A paper football is made by folding a piece of paper in half the long way, then folding it in half the long way again. Next, fold one end at a 45-degree angle and fold up. Repeat the 45-degree angle fold and the up fold as needed. Finally, tuck the excess paper into the fold. If there is a lot of excess paper, you can rip a little off before tucking it in. The object of the game is to score points. A 6-point touchdown is scored by hitting the paper football to a point where it hangs off the edge of the table without falling. After a touchdown, the player can score an additional point by kicking an extra point field goal. Games can be played to a specific point total or for a specific amount of time. A kickoff starts the game. The player kicking off will place the paper football in their palm. The player's hand is swung towards the table, having their fingers hit the bottom edge of the table to cause the paper football to fly onto the table. Where the football lands is where the opposing player will make the first hit. Players will take turns hitting the ball towards the opponent's end of the table, trying to get the football to partially hang off the table. If the hit doesn't result in a touchdown, the opposing player will take a turn hitting. Players take turns hitting the football until a touchdown is scored. After a touchdown is scored, the scoring player will get to attempt an extra point. The opponent who got scored on will make goalposts out of their fingers. The scoring player will hold the football upright with a point on the table and one under a finger. Then will flick the football trying to get it through the goalpost. After a touchdown and extra point attempt, the scoring player will kick off. If a player ever hits the football off the table, that player will kick off to put the football back in play. That wraps up how to play paper football. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.